Hello, kids! Today is Monday, and it's a wonderful day, isn't it? It's a perfect day to start the week right. Today, we're going to be talking about nouns. I know that we already discussed about nouns in our previous lesson, so first, we will see how far you remember them. Are you in? Alright, so we're going to do the noun scavenger hunt. I'd like you to search around your house, look for examples of nouns, as many as you can, and name each of them to your mom, dad, brother, sister, grandma, grandpa, or whoever is with you right now. Are you ready? In 1, 2, 3, go! Back here. That was cool, huh? Right now, we will be talking more about nouns. More particularly, we will be dealing with the different types of nouns. What are the different types of nouns, by the way? Quick answer. There are several types of nouns, which include, first, the common nouns. And the common nouns include abstract nouns, collective nouns, compound nouns, concrete nouns, non-countable nouns, gender-specific nouns, and verbal nouns. The second one are the proper nouns, and the last one are the pronouns. Despite being classified as a different part of speech, pronouns are still considered as nouns. As covered in the previous lesson, nouns are naming words such as book, sanitizer. Oh, this one's very relevant these days. Notebook. And I also have a pen. Dog. This was not real though. Charger. And many more. Let us tackle the types one by one. First, we are going to talk about common nouns. What is a common noun? A common noun is the word used for a class of person, place, or thing. Examples: car, bridge, man, town, water, metal, ammonia. Take note, common nouns are capitalized only when they start a sentence. Common nouns are further classified into, first, abstract nouns. What are abstract nouns? These are things that you cannot see or touch. For example, your feeling, your emotion, your idea, your suggestion. Okay? Like bravery, like joy, like sadness, like grief, like happiness. And another is the collective nouns. Collective nouns are words to describe groups, just like team, choir. Another is the compound nouns. Compound nouns are made up of more than one word, but taken as one. Say, for example, court-martial, pickpocket, water bottle. And we also have concrete nouns. Concrete nouns are the things that you can see or touch, which means to say that these are the things that you can experience through your 5 senses. Say, for example, tree, cloud, cup, you have curtain, and many more. Next are the countable nouns, or also known as the mass nouns. These are things that you cannot count, like food, music, juice, or any liquid. And we also have the gender-specific nouns, which are words that are definitely male or female, like actress, directress, like woman. And we also have verbal nouns, which are derived from verbs. So originally, these words are verbs, but then they function as nouns in some cases, just like building. The word building originally comes from the word build, added with ing, and with how it is being used in a sentence, with how it functions in a sentence, it becomes a noun in some case. And we have also an attack. Next is gerunds. Gerunds are nouns that represent actions, just like running, guessing, or using them in phrases. You have running fast, guessing a number. Next in line are proper nouns. A proper noun is a specific name of person, place, or thing. It always starts with a capital letter. For example, Michael, Africa, United Nations, Peking, the Tower of London, the Red Lion. The third type of nouns are the collective nouns. A collective noun is the word used for a group of people or things. For example, choir, team, jury, cabinet, regiment. The big question with collective noun is whether they should be treated as singular or plural. The answer is they can be treated as singular or plural depending on the sense of your sentence. The fourth type is the pronouns. A pronoun is used to replace a noun. Pronouns are one of the 8 parts of speech, which are adjectives, adverb, conjunctions, interjections, nouns, prepositions, pronouns, and verbs. Even though they are classified as a different part of speech, pronouns are nouns. They always play the role of a noun in a sentence. For example, James is the first choice for the post. He has applied for it twice already. He is a pronoun. In this example, it replaces the proper noun James. It is a pronoun. Here, it replaces the common noun. Next are gerunds. Gerunds are formed from verbs. They end with ing. They are a type of common noun. For example, I love baking. Baking is the name of the activity. It is formed from the verb to bake. Another one. Thinking is required to solve the problem. Thinking is the name of the activity. It is formed from the verb to think. Gerunds are different from other nouns because they can take an object or be modified with an adverb. For example, I love baking bread. Here, bread is the object of the gerund baking. Thinking laterally is required to solve this problem. Here, the gerund thinking has been modified by the adverb laterally. The last type are the compound nouns. Compound nouns are nouns made up of 2 or more words. Some compound nouns are hyphenated, some are not, and some combine their words to form a single word. For example, mother-in-law. Mother-in-law has 3 words. We have mother, in, and law, but these 3 words are taken as one, which means it only has one meaning. Next, board of members, court-martial, forget-me-not, manservant, pickpocket, and paperclip. Now that is all about the different types of nouns. I hope you guys have learned something today.